Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/@bestadvancedsoftwares1891. Today we will discuss 10 best CMMS software solutions with buying guides and reviews. CMMS or Computerized Maintenance Management System is an integral component of modern businesses, streamlining maintenance, operation, asset management, and resource allocation. Computerized Maintenance Management System (CMMS) software play a pivotal role in modern businesses, streamlining maintenance, operation, and enhancing asset management. To help you make an informed decision, we have compiled a list of the best 10 CMMS software solutions, each with a concise description of its key features. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftwares1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Upkeep. Let's now its features. Maintains assets value, ensuring long-term investment protection, enhances safely by identifying and addressing potential hazard promptly, improve efficiency, reduce operational cost and resource wastage. Number 2. Fix. Let's now its features. Fix streamlines maintenance tasks, enhancing overall operational efficiency for companies. It provides real-time insight, aiding in data-driven decision making and cost reductions. The mobile app enables field technicians to work more efficiently. Number 3. eMaint. Let's now its features. It offers comprehensive asset management, adding in cost reduction strategies. Its user-friendly interface promotes easy adoptions and swift learning. Customizable reporting features provide tailored insight for informed decision making. Number 4. Hippo CMMS. Let's now its features. Streamlines maintenance tasks, adding organizational efficiency. Offer comprehensive reporting, adding better decision making process. Enhances preventive maintenance, minimizing equipment downtime and reducing cost. Number 5. Impulse. Let's now its features. Streamlines maintenance tasks, improving operational efficiency and reducing downtime. Offer comprehensive asset management for better tracking and maintenance planning. Provide real-time data for informed decision making and enhance productivity. Number 6. Dude Solutions. Let's now its features. Streamlines facilities management, enhances maintenance scheduling, improve asset tracking, offer comprehensive reporting. It also helps organizations allocate resources more efficiently, resulting in long-term financial saving. Number 7. Manager Pulse. Let's now its features. Streamlines tasks, enhances asset management, boosts productivity, offer customization. It is a valuable tool for businesses looking to improve maintenance, operation, reduce cost, and enhance overall productivity. Number 8. Limble CMMS. Let's now its features. Streamlines maintenance tasks, offer mobile accessibility, provide real-time data, integrates with IoT devices, offers robust reporting and analytics tools, mobile accessibility, inventory control and cost management. Number 9. Maintenance Connection. Let's now its features. Centralize assets management, adding in better resource allocation and planning, provide real-time data for informed decision making and preventive maintenance. scalable and customizable to suit various industries and organizations. Number 10, Tabware. Let's know its features. Its mobile capabilities enable real-time data access, enhancing on-the-go decision-making, robust reporting and analytics tools, and data-driven maintenance planning. User-friendly interface promote quick adoption and minimal training requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us www.bestadvancedsoftware.com. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware. Thanks for watching.